Hello, in this video I'm gonna install a dashcam in my car using binary power hardwire kit. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Please remember that it's always best to have a professional handle this kind of installation. Before you start the install, make sure you research your car fuse location and any other necessary information. It's also recommended to remove the positive lead wire from your car's battery before working on any electrical or fuses in the fuse box. Here what's included in the binary power hardwire kit. A manual, a 3M Velcro for mounting, 4 different types of blade fuses, micro, mini, low profile mini, and regular, a 7-inch mini USB cable, 4 different types of fuse tab holders, a 10-foot routing wire with a barrel connector on one end, and the other end has a bullet connector, a quick disconnect from the fuse tab holders, and a spade for grounding. The binary power charger with a bullet connector on one end and a USB Type A connector on the other end, quick disconnect, an alcohol wipe for cleaning, and a pry bar for install. I'm gonna mount the binary charger on the left side of the rearview mirror right here, so I could easily connect the dashcam to the right side. Next, I'm gonna route the wire up and hide it in the headliner, running it towards the left side where the fuse box is located for me. It's gonna go down the pillar, and then I'm gonna put it through this hole right here, and then all the way down where my fuse box is located. This way is nice and hidden. Using the provided alcohol wipe, clean the back of the rear view mirror by wiping it from top to bottom in a straight motion. Avoid circular motion to prevent smearing grease. Now, peel one side of the 3M Velcro and stick it to the back of the mirror. Choose the Velcro position based on how you want the binary power charger to be positioned. Once you chose the position, press firmly to ensure the Velcro adheres well to the mirror. Remove the remaining backing when you are ready to attach the binary power and not before that. This way, the adhesive does not get dirty. The routing wire is thin enough to fit under the liner without any issues. Make sure that when you route the routing wire, the barrel jack is towards the mirror and the binary power side of it, and the fuse tab and also the ground lug is towards the fuse box. Now I'm gonna route the wire, and then I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. I plugged in the USB cable into the dashcam, and then here is the routing wire for the binary power. I route it all the way up the liner and down, and then down the pillar, and all the way through this cover, and it's nice and clean, through this hole, and it's going all the way down to the fuse box. In the next step, we're going to install the fuse and the fuse tab. Please see your car owner's manual and also the fuse cover to choose the correct fuse to use for a dashcam. A desired fuse to use is the radio fuse, interior lights fuse, or the charger port fuse and ACC fuse. Please do not use any fuse that is meant for the starter, airbag, or any other sensors in your car. In this situation, I end up using the ACC fuse. After selecting the fuse, remove the fuse from the circuit using a needle nose plier or a fuse puller. Install the fuse in the fuse tab in position number 1. If it's installed in the wrong position, it could damage the circuit or the binary power. Place a fuse tab in the location of the fuse that you just removed. Connect the bullet connector from the fuse tab to the bullet connector from the routing wire. Connect the ground spade to a chassis bolt to make a good connection. Now that we made all the connection and routed the wire, we're going to mount the binary power onto the back of the mirror. We're going to connect the barrel connector to the binary power from the routing wire, and then we're going to connect the mini USB Type A connector from the dash cam to the binary power. After all the connections are made and your binary power is mounted, you can reconnect your positive lead for your car battery. Once you start your car, the dash cam should start powering up. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact support at elkotechnologies.com. Thank you again for watching the video.